Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to fix your scrawl fedora hats, different hats. So I want this brim to be flat, just like that. I don't want it to be kind of like that. This one is kind of worse. So you see how this one is? So what they said, and we're going to do it. I'm taking some Mud Pod, and I got some water. And I'm going to do it from sitting in the bed, but when it's time to go and dry, I'm gonna lay it on the table on a flat surface. So they said half part water, half part Mod Podge. Okay. So I got a plastic bag right here. So let's say you basically just take the hat and you put the Mod Pod on it. Saturate the brim with Mod Pod. And this one is the matte, and it's going to dry clear. And then what you do after that, you sit it on a flat surface. So after I get done doing both of these hats, I'm going to sit it on a flat surface, and I'm going to let this hat dry. And it's supposed to dry, and the brim is supposed to be stiff. I did the starch method on it. I did starch it. I wasn't happy. I still was getting that falling type hats. I like for my hats to be, you know, just the brim to be stiff. So I'm going to try this method, and we're going to see what it do. So I'm not going to leave y'all here all day to watch something boring like this. But if you guys can see, I'm just pretty much going around the whole bottom of the brim. Alexa, turn on the plug.
Okay.
I'm just going to go around this whole brim until I get it nice and wet. And the water I used was lukewarm. And then I'm going to take it downstairs and put it on the countertop. And I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours. And then tomorrow, I'm going to come back. And you guys can make the decision for yourself if you feel that using this on it gave it a stiff. I did do the starch method. It still it's floppy. I don't want it to be floppy at all. I want my brim to be stiff, kind of like those hats that I wear. I don't like the floppy. Maybe I'm at the beach or something, but yeah. So that's it, guys. There's no right or wrong way to do this, and I'm gonna just turn it over and do this side and rub it all in and take it and let it dry. Take it on the counter and let it dry on a flat surface. They be using parchment paper, but I was like, because we're using glue, the paper might stick. So I'm just using this clear bag I got. Well, it ain't clear, it's just gray bag. So I wanted to get all in there because I wanted to be able to be as stiff as I wanted. So I hope you guys are having an awesome Sunday. So I'll come back tomorrow, guys, and I'll let you be the judge. You can see these hats for yourself. So remember how both of them look. They kind of, this one is not so bad, but it's still not as flat as I like. This one was worse. So guys, have an awesome Sunday. See you tomorrow, Monday. Toodles. Hey guys, so I got all of the glue on there. I'm turning it around. And I'm sitting it on the counter. And what I'm doing, just to reassure, I'm going to put, as you see over here on this hat, let me move this one for a second. Just move over here, okay? Just move right there. 1 second, guys. So what I did, need more space. So what I'm doing is, I want to put weight on it. So once you get it saturated in the glue, I want you to take it and put pressure on it, because you want it to be flat as possible on this surface. So flat as possible. So then I just take household stuff and just sit it on. Sit it all up here. And we're going to let this sit to tomorrow, 24 hours. And from that point, we're going to see if my head is going to wind up being flat like how I want it to be. So I'll bring you guys back tomorrow. Toodles. Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. So as I said to you guys yesterday, we was going to let the hats dry 24 hours. So I will say putting stuff on it to let it dry. This hat is not completely dry because everywhere I set, as you can see something on it, it held the moisture where it wasn't able to dry. But I want you guys to look at it though. See, this exactly the flatness that I was telling you guys that when I wear my hat, I want my brim to be flat. I don't want my brim to be flopping down. So it actually does work. So this is the gray one, but now I just have to let it sit again another 24 hours with nothing sitting on top. So now they just gotta finish drying with nothing sitting on top so that it can adhere. So this is the blue one. So this one I love so much too, because like when I'm wearing that dark denim. So, but look at it now. I don't want to flex it too much because it's not dry. But this is the way that I like for my brims to be. I don't like my brims to be flopping down and different things like that. When I put on, I got this gorgeous dark blue denim. So I put it on with this dark blue denim and just, ooh, I love it, I love it, I love it. So yes, guys, it actually does work. So it's probably going to have to dry more than 24 hours because once you get the flatness that you like, then as you could see, it still is moist, both of these. So can you take glue and water for your scrawl hats and you want to make the brim flat? It works. So yes, you can. So now I'm going to take these out of the kitchen because, you know, the kitchen contain a lot of oils and grease. I wasn't cooking last night. So now I'm going to take them upstairs and lay them on my dress to let them finish completely drying. So it works, guys. I'm not the inventor of this. Somebody already invented it. But before I tell somebody if something works, I have to try it myself because every outcome is different. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.